U factor, SHGC, air leakage, visible transmittance, LSG, Energy Star. What do those even mean? If you're scratching your head looking for replacement windows in Canyon, Texas, you're not alone. If you've seen one of those window rating labels with a map and a bunch of meaningless numbers, you know energy ratings can be pretty confusing. The National Fenestration Rating Council, we call it the NFRC for short, tests how different replacement windows hold up to things like sunlight and warm air trying to get in and out of your home. And they come with a lot of numbers. We'll go over a couple quickly and tell you what they mean. So first up, we've got the U factor. A window's U factor measures how easily heat can pass through it. That number can be anywhere from 0.2 to 1.25. You want that number to be low. Lower means better. Next is the solar heat gain coefficient. The name is long, so you'll see it listed as SHGC. This number ranges from 0 to 1, and here in Randall County, we want it to be low. There are a few other numbers on the label, but those numbers will be more important on a home-by-home basis. So now, when a sales agent from a trusted window company discusses these numbers, you'll know exactly what they mean. If you are ready to find replacement windows in Canyon, Texas that'll save you energy, call Amarillo Solar Shade Co. at 806-356-0186 for a free estimate for your home.